Hey guys, it's me again. Thought I'd just make this video this noon. Well, this morning, I guess you could say. It's almost noon. Almost 1. Basically, it is 1 now. But here's my Kool window air conditioner from 2017. 5000 BTU thing. All of you know this. It appears to be struggling today. The light on the Evergo is burned out, though. So I can't turn that on. I put this loop chain on it to stop rattling and stuff like that. And it's easier that way. There's my liquid. And this piece of crap. But this stress ball is sitting under here because that happens. And I can't get it to stop, so probably gonna take it out today. I got my flashlight here. I'm gonna shine it through the coil and see if you can see anything. But it appears to be struggling because the air is not as cold as usual. The filter is very dirty. So I'm gonna have to clean that during this video, though. So do a temp check real fast. It's about 73 degrees in here, as you can see. Look at the temp gun right here. About that. About 73. Thermostat is accurate. In here, it's about 71 to 72. Coming out, yeah, 46. So it is kind of working. But I'm sure if we clean that condenser, it'll probably work a little bit better. But it is throwing out the chilly air. So, as you can see, that will start to warm up. But let's go outside and see how it looks. And I'll show you guys what the evap looks like. What the light is weird, but that's what the filter looks like. She's a little dirty. I only cleaned it like a few weeks ago, and it's already this dirty again. But we'll go outside and see how it's doing. So we're rocking about 80. It's in the 90s out, I guess, today. Very hot on the ground. I only turned it back on to see what it's pushing out the condenser. Here it is. That's a sign that it could be also dirty, because it's not pushing as much air through. Getting about 103 degrees, that's accurate. Not that hot there though. But pushing out, I got 106 degrees, so I don't know how easy this is gonna be, but servicing the old 2017 Kool. And now I cannot see through that. I can't see through that. Especially with the design of this stupid coil. You can hear that thing. See what we're getting on the compressor. How hot the poor compressor is. Oh yeah, she's hot. You can see it is working though. It is sweating. But I think we could increase performance by cleaning out this condenser. And yes, I know it's very, very dirty, but or not dirty, but very damaged. So First, we'll clean out the filter and probably get this thing out of here and clean out the, one sec, clean out the condenser. So, probably get it out of here. First, we'll clean the filter. Servicing the old Kool can. You can see the stickers starting to peel. It's hot down there. It is making water. But got a little pool. Lake Kool King. So they don't really smell bad. Speaking of air conditioners, there's the neighbors. Not sure what kind it is. And then there's two LGs up there, two 5,000 BTU LGs. One seems to be running. So let's clean out the filter, and we'll get the thing out of the window. And we'll clean out that dirty condenser coil that it has. If it even is that dirty. So, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so let's get this filter out of here. It's a little hard to do. It's clicking on at about 6:45. Yeah, she's pretty dirty. It's kind of hard to get it out of here because of the way this is. But as you can see, she's a little dirty, y'all. She's a little dirty. First we'll hand clean it, and then we will wash it. This is a washable filter, so start hand cleaning this. A quarter of the way clean. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just dragging my hands up on across the filter to pick up all the heavy stuff. Not too hard. And then once it balls up, I'll just throw it away. Throw all of this crap away. So, see you guys when I'm done hand cleaning it. Alright guys, I just used a brush to finish it off here. So I'll just throw this dirty napkin away. So we'll go ahead and wash it now with hot water. You always want to back push it so you're not pushing it more into the filter. Give it a good clean. While you're at it, maybe you want to rub it with your fingers. So I'll get back to you guys. A lot more pretty now. I got an easier way to dry this thing off other than putting it in the sun. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Use your just local fan or something and just, yeah, do that. Do that for a few minutes and then it should be good. Or you can just wave it. So she's pretty dry now. Excuse me for that. Dry it off a little bit more, and then it'll be good to put back in. So she's about ready to be put back in now, and you can just run the fan, and it will get more dry. But as you can see, the evap is getting a little dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and set it to high fan. Not without the filter, of course. Don't be stupid like me. So it's pretty hard to get this thing back in with one hand. Especially when it's getting brittle now from age. This little thermostat wire. Sorry for not showing you that. Thermostat wire is a little bit weird, but just turn it on fan only. Turn this down. But we're going to be taking it out to, clean it out, so while we're cleaning it, it's going to dry out anyways, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get it out, so yeah. As you can see, I got it out in one piece here. You can see it's dumping water everywhere. Kind of pissed on me a little bit too from all the water that was in there, but set to loosen. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all these screws out. Prop you guys up on the chair right here. That should be good enough for the angle that you guys are at. Let's see where else I'll set you. Set you guys on the barbecue. See how that does. So I'll go ahead and take out these curtains. Easy peasy. But go ahead and take out this bracket. I normally use a screwdriver for this, but I'm just going to use the drill because it's easier and quicker.
He would spend hours, sometimes days at a time, with scissors, glue, cutting, and pasting.
Actually, while we're at it, go ahead and get the front one off. That's nasty. Coil's all sweaty too. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned. Alright, let's get the rest of the thing off. It does flex around like it does. I'm sure some of you guys remember me doing the out of case video of this thing. Garage. This time I'll probably be able to run it out of case since I'm doing it out here.
Recording?
Yes. Got all the screws out. And she's out again. So, have that hot compressor. So, fan is actually attached to that part. So, the fan is also dirty, and it's all dirty in here too. I don't know where the hell that pink stuff came from. All that pink stuff. Hope it's not leaking anything, but there's the inside. Fan's also kind of dirty. Oh yeah, she's blocked. Look at that. That thing is blocked. Take a look. That thing is blocked up. Yeah, this thing is clogged. So, question is how we're gonna get this thing out of the way. This thing wasn't really designed to be taken apart, but gotta do what you gotta do. Can't have that happening. There's the evap loops. They were once gold like that, but now it's that color. It's all gonna start discoloring and turning darker. But here's the inside again. Compressor's warm. Pretty sure I have this off. But see all that dirt and holy, look at that. Told my dad. I told him alright. So I'm gonna figure out how to get this condenser to move so I can get in there. But yeah, I'll see what we can do.